The problem of plastic pollution in the ocean is enormous, which is exactly why I started Barrel Bag. Barrel Bag is a nonprofit to create, produce, and distribute beach cleanup bags that are made from all recycled materials. WordPress enabled me to really spread the word about Barrel Bag, and that's where probably 90% of our business comes through. And the coolest part is that it has a live social media plugin so that people can see the momentum of Barrel Bag and what's happening when it's happening. It's so much easier when every single person has one and every single person takes a few pieces of trash. Through Barrel Bag, I've been able to distribute roughly 6,000 bags in less than a year. I really don't think Barrel Bag would be where it is today without a solid website to support it. Seeing people use the Barrel Bag is a huge thing for me. It shows me that not only have they purchased or received a Barrel Bag, they also are using it out at the beaches. They're having their impact on the environment as well.